Google just dropped Wear OS 6 at I/O 2025, and it's a total game changer for your smartwatch. From a stunning new design to playlist controls and better battery life, stick around to see why your wrist is about to get a major upgrade. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to for cutting-edge tech. If you're hyped for the future of smartwatches, smash that like button and subscribe to GadInsider for the latest tech news. Let's dive into what makes Wear OS 6 so awesome. Google unveiled Wear OS 6 on May 20th, 2025, and it's bringing a sleek new look with Material 3 Expressive. This design overhaul makes apps feel more cohesive, with tiles adopting your watch's default font and dynamic theming that syncs colors to your watch face on Pixel watches. Think vibrant, personalized vibes that make your smartwatch pop. Plus, Google's claiming a 10% battery life boost thanks to platform optimizations. More time for your notifications and workouts. What's new in Wear OS 6? Developers are getting powerful tools like the Wear Compose Material 3 and Wear Proto layout libraries, packed with extended color schemes, typography, and shapes. This means apps will look smoother and more dynamic on circular displays. You'll see redesigned buttons, progress indicators, and scroll components that fit your watch perfectly. Oh, and scrolling just got cooler with collapsing components for a slicker experience. Music lovers, this one's for you. Wear OS 6 adds a new menu for compatible music apps with playlist controls like shuffle, like, and repeat. Perfect for jamming on the go. Plus, watch faces are getting a glow up with animated transitions between ambient and interactive modes, and even photo watch faces for that personal touch. Whether you're rocking a Pixel watch or another Wear OS device, this update is all about customization and control. Want to try Wear OS 6? The developer preview is out now, and you can test it on devices like the Pixel Watch 1 to 3. The full rollout's coming later, so stay tuned. For the complete breakdown, head to GadInsider.com. Trust us, you'll want to read up on how this upgrade transforms your smartwatch. Wear OS 6 is setting the stage for smarter, sleeker smartwatches in 2025. What feature are you most excited about? Dynamic theming, music controls, or that battery boost? Drop it in the comments, and let's get the convo started. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell to never miss a GadInsider update.